malapit.
Ano nga lang?
Oh.
Ready.
Oo nga. Dito tayo.
We are very happy to be your
Nakapicture kayo?
Hindi lang natawal. Maganda pa sa dami-dami po.
Doon sa breakthrough, ikaw.
Malapit.
Wala. Nawala. No? May sa ano doon, Bacolod.
Tinanggal mo na?
Nawala lang.
Good morning! Welcome on board! MFC.
Good morning po.
TPI. And then Iloilo is the center of commerce and trade outside Manila. Because we have the port here. It's from Cebu dati. We have the port. In fact, Iloilo used to hold the title Twin City of South. Pero nakuha siya ng Cebu because of Cebu. Pero we have the best port in Iloilo. Tapos ang mga dato-dato dati, galing ng Iloilo. Manay.
Iloilo actually from Dato,
Iloilo.
Ato, that's where the word Iloilo. Sabihin mo really, sa mapamangga rin. Iba naman ang
Ay, oo, mangga dito talaga namin.
Kaya naman masarap ang leksyon ng Iloilo. Sampalok here.
Except yung mga squid spends here, Iloilo, it's only 30 minutes.
Sampalok. Hindi siya masyadong maaalas.
Tuloy na yung bukas.
Baka native ako rin pupunta.
Hi Tess, it's so nice to be back in Iloilo, especially it's your birthday. I wish you the best of everything in your life. I hope that you're going to have more years to come, more years of happiness, more years of joy, more success. God bless you, my dear.
Hi Tess! Happy birthday! We are so parang blessed talaga na we came and we decided last May pa to come to your birthday. We wish you the very best because you deserve it. But pinakamaganda dyan kasi talagang blessed kami to be your friend. And we have talagang maintained our friendship through the last 3 years na nagtatawagan. So for today, when I know that you miss your husband, we want to make up for him and wish you really the very best. Okay? Hi, Tess. Happy birthday. Una, thank you dito. Napakaganda ng aming souvenir from Iloilo. And I'm going to bring this to Manila for sure. And happy birthday to our dearest friend. Nako, ang dami naming ginagawa sa Manila. Pero nung nalaman namin birthday mo ngayon, nako, nag-impake kami. Kalimutan muna ang Avon. So for you, Tess, thank you very much for inviting us. Happy birthday. We love
This is Venus Maliksi, barkada nila Manang Sol. I'm very much honored na ako ay nakasama dito at timing pa because it's your birthday. No? I'm very happy. This is my first time to come to Iloilo and this is my first time to meet you also and I am very much honored na makilala kita. No? Ang wish ko sa iyo Ano pang mawiwish ko sa'yo? You're a GMAC member and you're one of the best. You're number one also in Avon together with my other barkada. My wish is I hope I can be like you. So again, happy birthday at I hope you will enjoy mamaya. And I too, I'm sure I will be enjoying because mahilig ako sa ballroom dance. Miss Tess, have a wonderful, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! We're back in Iloilo for you. Wow, saya-saya namin dito. Sana taon-taon mag-birthday ka para nandito kami, ha? At saka banding natin sa GMAC. 30 years more na member tayo ng GMAC. Okay, Tess? Antayin ka namin sa Manila. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you.
Yes, our GMAC in Iloilo branch, happy birthday! I hope that your birthday will be your most joyous moment, especially on your 50th year. So, my wish for you is more success in your Avon business, and at the same time, good health for you and everlasting happiness. Thank you for being a friend and continue to be passionate in your Avon business. Good morning kung sa Avon pa.
Hi Tessie, hi. I am very proud of you in behalf of my family and of course Avon and the Division E. I wish you a happy birthday. And today is your golden day. So I wish you more success. I wish you that you will achieve more of your dreams, and I wish you that you will touch more lives. So keep up the good work. We are very proud of you, and you are number one in our division. We love you.
But the best secret is understanding.